This 1968 Mercury Cougar is equipped with hideaway headlights, an interesting function in 1968, and it remains so today.
This Cougar is equipped with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine. It runs very smoothly and powerfully, yet gets reasonable fuel mileage. The refinished interior of this car matches the exterior. It is very nice in every respect. And notice, 3 pedals. This is a standard shift car, and it is equipped with a 3-speed floor shift transmission, which would be very unusual for a car like this. So it is indeed a bit unique. It is, again, beautifully done and nearly flaw-free. The buyer will receive extensive documentation and a book of pictures showing the car and outlining the car's restoration. This 1968 Cougar is one of the highlighted items at the upcoming AXYS auction. Don't miss it. Don't miss the chance to own this beautiful piece of American automotive history.